Welcome, Java for mobile application. In this video, we are going to discuss how to Java involve for develop mobile application. What are the specifications in Java than the other languages? What are the current Java mobile application? Mobile software development is progress of creating software which can be used on mobile device. It also refers to the creation of special web application for mobile devices. We can classify as browser-based, native, and hybrid. Browser-based application developed in markup languages. Native-based has a runtime environment. Hybrid needs a browser for discovery. These are the programming languages what we can use to develop mobile application. C, C++, Visual Basic.NET, ASP.NET, HTML, JavaScript, XML, Pascal. Among them, Java is very famous. Mobile software developed by using different platforms based on target mobile device. These are the mobile platforms. We can measure the benefits of programming language based on a number of new applications written in the language, existing applications written in the language, and developers' favorites. This is Java to platform architecture. This slide shows about Java. It has got more syntax from C and C++, but it much different than them because it runs on Java virtual machine. The special thing is Java combined to its bytecode. There is a very famous telling about a Java is general purpose, current object-oriented programming language. These are the reasons to use Java for mobile applications. Java is a simple object-oriented programming language. It must thicker than other languages. A second compelling reason for using Java for small device development is security. J2ME is a Java platform designed for embedded system. J2ME isn't a specific piece of software or specification. All it means is Java for small devices. These are the available J2ME configurations: CDC and CLDC. CDC is used by devices that are more powerful than the low-end devices such as cell phones, such as set-top boxes, certain PDAs. CLDC used for every resource-constrained devices, such as cell phones, two-way pagers. The KVM is a compact, portable Java virtual machine specifically designed from the ground up for small, resource-constrained devices. The high-level design goal for the KVM was to create the smallest possible complete Java virtual machine that allowed to maintain all the central assets of the Java programming language, but would run in a resource-constrained device with only a few hundred kilobytes total memory budget. More specifically, the KVM was designed to be small with a static memory footprint of the virtual machine core in the range of 40 kilobytes to 80 kilobytes. Clean, well commented, and highly portable, modular, and customizable, as complete and fast as possible without sacrificing the other. defines requirement for a specific um, vertical market family of devices. Extend or is layered on top of a configuration. Defines a standard Java platform for a vertical market device family to ensure interoperability. Includes more granular domains, specific class libraries that are configurations. Java ME devices implement a profile. These are the available J2ME profiles. The most common of these are the mobile information device profile aimed at mobile devices such as cell phones. The personal profile aimed at consumer products and embedded devices like set-top boxes and PDAs. Profiles are subset of configurations, of which there are currently two: the connected limited device configuration and the connected device configurations. Foundation profile is set of Java APIs that support resource-constrained devices without a stand-based GUI system. Personal basis profile provides J2ME application environment for network-connected devices supporting basis level of graphical presentation. This is typical J2ME technology stack. In this stack, the basement is DSP chip. J2ME Core APIs and KVM together create with CLDC. These are the applications developed in Java. Among them, SMS, MMS, Java games, Bluetooth are very famous. Then we discuss why Java is better to mobile games. Mobile game is a video game. In mobile phones, PDA, computer or smartphones. Although C++ has the advantage of being compiled into native code with direct accesses to system resources, and with Brave the platform provides end-to-end solution to mobile game developers while allowing them to work with any desired language. Java is the most popular choice for game development. Java, or the Java 2 Micro Edition platform, to be price is identified as the most convenient for developing mobile games. This is the part of the Java code for mobile game. There are so many reasons to use for mobile games. J2ME is a free and open platform. It's highly portable nature platform, and also it is specially optimized for small devices. J2ME consists of the Mobile Information Device Profile (MIDP) API. Because of these reasons, we use Java to develop mobile games. Let's see how Java language is used in game development. There are two main interfaces adopted in game development. First one is high-level user interfaces and the second one is low-level user interfaces. In high-level user interfaces, the size of the screen of the game is automatically adjusted according to the mobile phone screen. You just have to design the game interface using the default from the Java from class. The low-level user interface, we can categorize the game interface as reverse. But there is one dimension. Why the Java better to develop Bluetooth? The basic concepts of any Bluetooth application consists of the components: stack initialization, device discovery, device management, service discovery, and communication. The Java Bluetooth specification adds a special component to the mix called Bluetooth Control Center. Now I describe about the stack initialization. Before you can do anything, you need to initialize your stack. Remember, the stack is the piece of software that controls your Bluetooth device. Stack initialization can consist of a number of things, but its main purpose is to get the Bluetooth device ready to start wireless communication. Every vendor handles stack initialization differently. So we will cover how to initialize the stack using the Java Bluetooth SDK. This is a part of called the stack initialization. Next I describe about Java management. Local device and remote device are the two main classes in the Java Bluetooth specification and allows you to perform device management. These are classes giving you the ability to query statistical information about your own Bluetooth device and information on the devices in the area. In a nutshell, that's about all it takes to platform device management with the Java Bluetooth specification APIs. Now let's take a look at the concept in Bluetooth that allows you to discover other Bluetooth device discovery. Your Bluetooth device has no idea of what other Bluetooth devices are in the area in order to find out. Your Bluetooth device will use the device discovery classes that are provided into the Java Bluetooth APIs in order to see what's out there. Then we give our consideration to the service discovery. You can never be sure what services a remote device may offer. Service discovery allows you to find out what they are. Service discovery is just like device discovery in the sense that you use the discovery agent to do the discovering. Final one is communication. Bluetooth is communication protocol. To do communication, the Java Bluetooth API gives you three ways to send and receive data. One of way to RFCOM. RFCOM is the protocol layer that the serial port profile uses in order to communicate. But these two items are almost always used synchronously. The code listed below demonstrates what is needed to open a connection on a Bluetooth device that will act as a server. Why is the Java better to develop SMS or MMS? SMS is the text communication service component of phone, web or mobile communication systems using standardized communications protocols that allows the exchange of short text messages between fixed line of mobile phone devices. SMS text messaging is the most widely used data application in the world. Multimedia Messaging Service or MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content to and from mobile phones. It extends the core SMS capability that allow exchange of text messages only up to 160 characters in length. Early MMS developments were blocked by technical issues and frequent consumer disappointments, such as having sent and MMS messages, receiving a confirmation it had been sent, begin bill for the MMS message, to find that it had not been delivered to intended recipient. Picture would often arrive in the wrong format, and other media elements might be removed, such as video clip arriving without its sound. MMS messages are delivered in a completely different way from SMS. The first step is for the sending device to encode the multimedia count in a fashion similar to sending a MIME email. The message is then forwarded to the carrier's MMS store and forward server, known as the MMS. If the receiver is on another carrier, the relay forwards the message to the recipient's carrier using the Internet. This is a part of the code of SMS and MMS development in Java. On clicking the send, the control goes to public void sendIt, where it first creates a connection with defined address and then creates an empty messages of type text. We then added the text and has to be sent and the pass that in the URL of the addresses. Mixing MIDI, tone, and sampled audio using MMAP. Mobile Media API (MMAPI) is a protocol and format agnostic API for playing and manipulating multimedia content in mobile devices. MMAPI implementations that return a value of true for supports. Mixing system property should in theory be able to do the following: support the playing of at least two tones simultaneously. Mixing sound is a common feature in games where a background sound plays throughout the game, while various user or application events generate their own short-lived sounds. In the following example, I will use a basic sample audio as a background score, while various events during the gameplay will be mixed using MIDI and tone control. In these slides, this example illustrates how to write Java code. Thank you.